Are you in the market for a sweet pair of stretchy shorts with 2 different length options, heaps of colors, and a durable elastic waistband that you could also wear a belt with? Well, stick around and check out this Bearbottom stretch short unboxing and review video. They also are nice enough to send me a short sleeve version of their Tech Tee, which I have a long sleeve version of, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorite pieces of gear. I'm also actually wearing right now my Bearbottom heavyweight oversized flannel, and this thing definitely gets the job done when the weather gets a little chilly. So I appreciate you, Bearbottom, for sending over this gear. Let's unbox it, check it out, do a little review, and see if these stretch shorts are for you. The stretch shorts are also pretty sweet because they're made out of 97% cotton and 3% spandex, so there's a little bit of give to them, which is great. And they're actually about to drop some new colors, which are probably out once this video hits, in shadow and crocodile, so be on the lookout. And what I really like about them too is that there is a 5.5 length and a 7-inch inseam length. I went with the 7-inch, so we'll see if these are good for my thunder thighs. I also went with size large in the shorts and a size XL in the Tech Tee. With Bearbottom, this heavyweight oversized flannel is XL, and I feel like for their tops, I like to go XL. I'm 5'10", around 175. And for their pants and shorts, I like the larges. They actually do generously size, so like the extra larges are definitely extra larges. So if your waist is between 33 and 35, I think the large is perfect. All right, guys, we have made it on location. Now let's unbox and demo, check out these stretch shorts, and also don't forget about the Tech Tee. And I appreciate Bearbottom again for sending over the swag, and I really like their clothing. The quality is really nice, it's good value, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorite brands. Also, definitely check out my affiliate link below. It will help me out, it helps out Bearbottom. Appreciate the support. First, we'll check out the shorts because that's the main reason for the video. They're just launching the 2 new colors, shadow and crocodile. So, come in a nice reusable bag. And with these, I went with color desert. And right away, what I definitely noticed is just the elastic stretch waistband is really nice, because, you know, I pretty much only wear like elastic stretch waistbands now. It's kind of hilarious. And what's nice though about these ones is they do come with the belt loop. So like if you do have to be a fancy boy at the shindig, you gotta like up the ante a little bit. You can't be too cash. You can throw a belt on these and no one will be the wiser. And really, when you're wearing them and when you look at them, they don't even look that elasticy. It doesn't look like a pair of mesh gym shorts or anything. What I really like too is there's 2 deep side pockets, 1, 2. Then there's 1 button back pocket, which is nice. So you can just throw stuff in here if you need. It goes pretty deep as well. So those work good. And again, these are size larges, and it is, like I said, 97% spandex, 3% cotton. So the stretch shorts, I think, are a hit. We can't forget about the short sleeve Tech Tee. It's really nice and stretchy. It has like a really great material. So here's the long sleeve version. They're nice enough to send me short sleeve version, and this color is ash. It's like kind of a grayish black. So again, you get a nice bag. Shout out Bearbottom, a nice reusable bag. And then again, it's pretty much just like the long sleeve one. Really soft, really stretchy. It's like definitely the stretchiest shirt like ever. They do also have another really nice shirt called the Supima Cotton Tee, which they're nice enough to send me another time, and this shirt is amazing as well. The material on the Tech Tee versus the Supima Cotton Tee is like a little different. The Tech Tee is more of like a polyester spandex blend, and the cotton one is more of a cotton type deal. But what I really like about the Tech Tee is that it's really good for working out, and the stretch is like unparalleled. It's really a nice material and it feels really good on your skin. The Tech line by Bearbottom is pretty awesome because I think they have shorts and other ones as well, so you can't really go wrong if it's tech something, and all the colors are pretty unique. There's almost like a little bit of a heather coloring to it. Hope you're enjoying checking out me modeling this gear for you now. So a few things I really like about the shorts are they feel really good on your body, like just on your skin. It's a nice soft cotton spandex blend. I also like how the waistband, again, because of the elasticity, it's not like constricting you, but it really just makes it for a nice overall package with a little bit of give, and it's just really nice. The shirt is also performing very good because I'm kind of used to it, but again, it's really light. It does have a little bit of like coolness to it, but can also kind of keep you warm. It's just a good overall material. So I think the combo of the tech tee shirt and these stretch shorts is definitely a winner. The shorts are Bearbottom's #1 bestseller, so they are flying off the shelves. So maybe get on it, because who knows how long those colors last. But there's so many colors to choose from. You can just kind of get a few and just go from there. But again, if you want them super short, 5.5. If you want them kind of more normal short length, just a few inches above your knees, I think the 7-inch for me is perfect. I think the combo of the tech tee and the shorts is gangbusters as well, because it just, they like are two peas in a pod. It just feels really nice. So I'm really growing attached to the shorts because they're kind of like in between, like a short you can just wear every day, like a casual or even a nicer short. But then also you can like kind of go on little jogs and walk around and be at the beach. They don't feel out of place because they are really comfortable. I'm gonna say too, for my Thunder Thigh fellas out there, these are definitely Thunder Thigh approved, and there's lots of room, and just a little bit of stretch that they have like really makes them feel really comfortable. Well, I appreciate everyone for checking out another Hero's Journey review. This time we were checking out the stretch short by Bearbottom and the Bearbottom short sleeve tech tee. I would definitely recommend them both. Bearbottom, thanks for sending over the swag, and click my link below. Thanks again guys for tuning in. If you want to watch another one of my Bearbottom reviews where I talk about a bunch of the gear they sent me, including the flannel, some sweet joggers, and that Sapima tee that's like the softest cotton ever, you can click right here. Smash subscribe, hit like, comment below what piece of gear you like best. Thanks again, Bearbottom. Till next time, we out of here. Peace.